Assalamu alaikum, I'm Ali.
And I'm Sarah.
Welcome back to English Real Practice. Every single day you're quietly leaking money without even realizing it.
Right, just small, invisible choices that are totally draining your resources.
Exactly. So today we are going to find those leaks and plug them. You are joining us for a deep dive that really serves two massive purposes.
Two very important purposes.
First, you are going to improve your English speaking journey. We are focusing on speaking in a clear, simple, and confident way.
Yeah, using short but powerful sentences.
And at the exact same time, you are going to master the psychology behind a crucial life skill, which is managing your money.
Which, a lot of people find really intimidating. The financial industry actually wants you to believe that taking control of your money requires, like, advanced mathematics or a degree in economics.
But it doesn't, right?
No, that is simply false. It just requires understanding human behavior. It's about understanding why your brain makes certain choices when you are, say, standing in a store or looking at a menu.
Okay, so we're exploring a set of foundational financial concepts today. Things like budgeting, saving, and goal setting.
But we are looking at the hidden mechanics beneath them, using really easy examples.